Welcome back to my channel. If it is your first time, my name is Masika Ifuru. Today I am here to do a very quick review on the new e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer. I am in the shade Deep Olive, so if you would like to see how this new concealer applies, please keep on watching. And I'm not using any foundation today. I just want to see how they cover. I want to see how they wear. I want to see just how long it lasts. So I'm just gonna put it by itself so that way I don't mix it with any other product and say that the concealers are bad because of the foundation, because they're not supposed to be mixed together. So I'm gonna give it an honest review by trying it by itself. That's my daughter Queen sneaking in the back. You don't see how she is sneaking. Come here. Silly. This concealer applied seamless. I didn't use any foundation. I just used this new e.l.f. Hydrating Concealer and everything is seamless. There's no creasing, no separation under my eye, no creasing by my lips, no separation by my nose. Everything is just really seamless. Everything covered lovely. And I did have a pimple on my forehead and my nose and in this area, and it covered seamlessly. Everything is just really smooth and nice. This new e.l.f. concealer is a satin finish concealer. And if there's anything at all that I didn't mention about this concealer, be sure to leave me a question in the comment section and I will be more than happy to respond. If you are new to my channel, be sure to click on my picture right here and subscribe to my channel, as I do look forward to seeing you in all of my videos. Thank you so much for watching.